going on, everyone, and welcome back to Taste Testing with Donatello. Now today, I am about to taste fresh squeezed juice. Now, this is actually grapefruit flavored. It's 100%. Now, I am about to take a drink out of this thing because it's pure, fresh squeezed. Now, before I do, I just gotta read the label. Okay, let's just get into it. Okay, starting in 3, 2, 1, go! Oh my god. Ugh. Okay. You know, grape juice... Oh, wait, no, not grape juice. Grapefruit can sometimes be a little bit sour like lemon, but it's not that sour. So, this is actually... So, like I said, this is actually fresh squeezed, but this actually tastes like a grapefruit. And, yeah, it's... Ugh. Ugh. Okay. So, yeah. So, like, or other than oranges are a lot more sweeter than grapefruit because it's the way that the juice marinates. And it is 100% guaranteed because, heck, and it says net WT 1 pound, I believe? 1 pound? And, does it say ooze? Or, wait a minute, it actually says 0 ounces. 454 grand? Oh, holy crud. Yeah, so, it's only like $3.99, and it even costs like about like $4. So, yeah, this drink is actually okay, but it's a little bit sour, just a little bit. It's just actually, it's the juice that kind of marinates like a real grapefruit, so. Oh god, it's like, it's already inside the freaking grapefruit. Ugh. Yeah, just think of the grapefruit that is like in my hand, and then there's the juice inside, and all the slices. It's kind of like I'm actually tasting the slices, and yeah, sometimes it just tastes kind of weird, kind of awkward. Oh god. Ugh. So, there you have it, guys. Now, always try something new. Like, always test things out before you do it. So, that's it for today. And until next time, cowabunga!